Hi, my name is Ayazullah. So in today's video, I am going to be talking about talent. The word seems simple and something that shouldn't really need discussing. However, there are many ways in which talent is perceived by people, which I'll be discussing on my video. I'm going to be talking about the following topics related to talent. What is talent? Is innate talent a myth? And how is talent perceived by different people? So let's start by giving you a definition. The Oxford definition of talent is someone who has the natural ability to be good at something, especially without being taught. Now, this definition already indicates that talent is innate, something that comes naturally inherited and not learned. This topic is widely debated amongst many scholars. Is innate talent a myth? Are there many discussions around this? I found this statement in an article written by Michael Howie called The Innate Talents, Reality or Myth? It states some people believe that talent is based on an inborn ability that makes it certain that its possessors will excel. Thus, this indicates that talent is not developed, but one is born with it. To validate his opinion, Feldman, another author, states, talent cannot be acquired, they must be possessed innately by prodigies. This signifies that one cannot suddenly acquire talent, it is something that already is in them from birth. On the contrary side, some people believe that talent can be practiced and developed. However, the Times newspapers debunk that by stating the authors found that practice only justifies at most 20 to 25% of the difference between elite performance and those who are good but not great. Natural talent, those authors concluded in their study, is more important than practice. This signposts that practice doesn't necessarily make you just as talented as people who naturally inherit it. Thank you for listening in my video.